Hello, my name is John, and I'm a Senior Account Manager here at PBNext. Today's training is going to deal with the Users and Extensions section of the PBNext call center. To access Users and Extensions, go to your call center and click on the Admin button. Once you click on Admin, you're going to notice a lot of subcategories below it. The very first one is labeled Users and Extensions. Now, the very first thing you're going to notice in Users and Extension is your name here to the left. This is your user information. Each of you who have signed up for a new PBNext account gets the username of admin and a randomly assigned password of a few different numbers. Let's say you wanted to change your username from admin to something a little bit easier for you to remember. All you need to do is come in here, type over the word admin, and put something else in there. You can use just letters, a combination of letters and numbers, and so on. I'm just going to leave mine as admin for now. Also, you can modify your first and last name here if you needed to. And also your password, you can easily change it as well simply by typing over it. It just needs to be at least 5 characters long. Just to let you know, no matter what you change your password to, as soon as you click save, you're going to notice that it reverts back to this long series of black dots. That's simply for security purposes. It's always going to look this long no matter what you change your password to, just so that no one can attempt to guess your password and get into your PBNext account. Also below password, we have extension number, and it says 111. Each of you who have signed up for a PBNext account gets an extension number of 111. This is so that if someone calls your toll-free number or your local number, they can press 111 and the call can be routed to you, however you set up the forwarding. That if you don't answer the phone call, they're going to get your personalized voicemail message from PBNext. You can of course change the extension number to anything else that you like. Perhaps change it to 123 if you wanted to, or anything you like. You can change it right here. I'm just going to leave mine as 111. The other thing you're going to notice in here, it says create user and delete user. Now, for those of you who have just signed up for PBNext, you most likely only have a single user account, meaning you can only be logged into PBNext on one computer at a time. Let's say you were working with a few different associates and you all wanted to be logged in using PBNext at the same time. To do that, first you would need to contact customer service and purchase additional users. It varies from account to account on the cost of that. Once you purchase the additional users, you would come back here and click on create user, and then create a new username. Basically, you'd be able to create the exact same information you see to the right here. Having more users on your PBNext account means that you can have more computers running your software at the same time, and you can all be making phone calls and using PBNext at the exact same time. But if you don't plan on expanding your PBNext service and you're just a one-user account, all you're really going to be using users and extensions for is to create your username and password and also manage your personalized voicemail message under the Manage Greeting button you see here under Users and Extensions. Now, if you are not sure how to use the Manage Greeting button, please refer to the other training on the Manage Greeting button, and the Manage Greeting button training will show you how to record your personalized voicemail greeting. Thank you for your time, and that concludes the Users and Extensions training module. Please go ahead and move on to the next training.